Hey y'all, it's Caitlin
and Austin,
and we're on board Jolly Roger That today. And our front V-berth mattress is not very comfortable. It's a very thin, hard mattress that's probably original to the boat. So we're gonna fix that problem today by adding a foam memory topper. A lot of online groups said this would be a great solution, and it's completely DIY. So stick around, gonna give you full instructions and supplies list, and I think it turns out pretty comfy in the end. So what's in our V-berth right now is this very hard foam mattress. So I got on Amazon the Linen Spa 3-inch gel mattress foam topper. And I ordered a California King because this is 102 inches long on the longest side, which even the California King isn't that long, but I wanted some extra topper to work with, so I just ordered the biggest one, and we'll see how that goes. I am going to go ahead and open it up and let it start to expand today, and then probably we'll come back to the boat tomorrow. I think it's supposed to be a little rainy, so that'll be a great work inside day. But I will go ahead and let it expand now and just see how that looks. And then I purchased there's a light, a cardless carving knife to cut it with. So we'll see how this goes. I'll let you know if this experiment works. But hopefully this will make the bed a lot more comfortable for us to sleep on. I also got a mattress protector, like a V-berth mattress protector from, I will link it all for sure. I think this one is SGI bedding. And then I got V-berth sheets as well from JS Sanders, just because I wanted it to fit really well in here. And this isn't a full V-berth, it's a little bit smaller, so I did get some sheet fasteners as well. Someone also suggested double-sided fabric tape to hold the foam topper onto the mattress, so I got that as well. So let's see how this little experiment goes. Okay, so I got it out of the box and it is expanding now. As you can see, it still has a couple spots that need to get up, but it is 3 inches, so it's gonna very nicely plump up our mattress there, like our background music going on. But as you see, it's definitely larger than the mattress, but the reason I got that size is because over here on the sides, you can see there's a little extra space. So I figure whatever I cut off of the top of the mattress can be used to fill that in. And then the V-berth mattress protector and sheets that I got will kind of keep it all together. All right, so my mattress is fully expanded now, and I've got my turkey carver to cut it with. So I also have a Sharpie. I'm gonna try to kind of crease it down and mark it where I'm gonna cut it, so I can up a little bit and cut it. I got it. Oh my gosh, it cuts it so easily. That's awesome. And the cordless is great. Kind of pushing it into the edge to see where that cut's gonna go, and then take my Sharpie and mark it, and then I'm gonna pull this up, get this in between the layers here, and just follow my line. And it goes very smoothly. Just want to make sure there's nothing behind it. Okay, see how we're doing. Oh yeah, fits right on top. So now that I have the main part of the mattress pad cut, I have just a little section on both sides, but I have plenty of extra foam. So I'm just going to cut for that little strip so it all at least looks like one piece. I'm going to cut off this big section and put it over there and kind of trace it out and just like I did before. So I have this little section that just needs a little strip of foam right there. So I have my foam. I'm going to just stuff it in there. Get my handy Sharpie over here and just put in place. We are just going to do what we did before. Got all marked. Take it out. Just cut right along that line. Same thing on the other side. Got it. Okay, so here it is, all done. I've got a little corner piece on that side, corner piece on that side, but it's a 3-inch thick mattress. And then that was a California King, and this is all of the leftovers that I have. No other leftovers. We could make maybe a pillow out of this, a little memory foam pillow. Say hi, Theo. I'm fixing that mattress next, but this one is all done. So I'm gonna make it up, put the mattress protector on it, which will hopefully kind of hold this all together and make it look a little more finished. But I have a mattress protector and V-berth sheets to put on it, and we'll see how it looks after that. I forgot that I have this double-sided fabric tape to put between the topper and the mattress. So I'm actually going to undo what I did and put that on so it stays in place a little bit. Someone suggested that, so it seems like a good idea. So I'm going to put at least a few pieces around the mattress, maybe at least just the edges, just to keep it in place.